The life cycle of an electric vehicle, EV, in terms of automation can vary depending on various factors such as technological advancements, regulatory frameworks, and market adoption. Here's a general overview of the different stages in the life cycle of an automated EV. Development and testing. The life cycle begins with the development of an automated EV by manufacturers. This involves extensive research, design, and engineering to create the necessary hardware and software components for automation. Prototypes are built and tested under controlled conditions, including simulations and closed-course testing. Pilot programs and early adoption. Once the initial development and testing phases are complete, manufacturers may launch pilot programs in select regions or with specific customers to gather real-world data and user feedback. These programs help identify potential issues, refine the technology, and gain insights into user preferences and expectations. Commercial launch. After successful pilot programs and regulatory approvals, manufacturers begin the commercial production and launch of automated EVs. Initially, these vehicles may have limited autonomy, such as advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, for features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated parking. Market expansion. As consumer acceptance grows and technological advancements continue, automated EVs with higher levels of autonomy are introduced. These vehicles can perform more complex driving tasks independently, such as autonomous highway driving or traffic jam assist. Market expansion includes increasing production volumes, expanding distribution networks, and improving charging infrastructure. Full automation and maturity. Over time, with advancements in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and regulatory frameworks, fully autonomous EVs capable of navigating various environments and road conditions without human intervention become more prevalent. These vehicles can handle complex scenarios, make real-time decisions, and provide a high level of safety and reliability. Upgrades and service. Throughout the life cycle, manufacturers release software updates to improve the autonomous capabilities of EVs, enhance safety features, and address any identified issues. Regular maintenance, servicing, and hardware upgrades ensure the longevity and optimal performance of the vehicles. End of life. Like any other vehicle, automated EVs eventually reach the end of their life cycle. At this stage, proper recycling and disposal processes should be followed to minimize environmental impact. Components and materials can be recycled, while hazardous substances should be safely managed. It's important to note that the specific timeline and progression through these stages may vary across different regions and manufacturers, and the level of automation can differ significantly depending on the technological advancements and regulatory landscape at any given time.